soft copies already forwarded earlier. So that was the condition. If I may finish, sir. That was the condition that was requested and posed before any action can be taken. The copy was provided earlier, and that copy, a hard copy, will not also be provided to you, sir, as requested.
To whom was it sent? Because my client is actually insisting for a copy because until now
We can
he has
send
not
you a
received
copy
it.
now, sir. That is all right with you.
Well, I've been here for almost 2 hours. Wala pa mangyayari. Teka na lang. At saka, ang basis ng pagkakaroon ng batas, saan ba? Anong batas? Batas ng Pilipinas o batas na ini-implement na withdraw na tayo 2 years ago? Hindi po ba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are implementing the warrant of arrest that is being implemented now is by virtue of a warrant of arrest issued by the ICC as contained in the red notice list, sir. But in the process of implementing the warrant of arrest and informing the President of his rights, we are applying the laws of the Philippines because it is within Philippine jurisdiction.
But you are still implementing
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
a law which is being implemented by a foreign entity, by an agency, wherein we have already withdrawn.
Yes, sir. By committee, sir, we have to assist also.
So, thank you, sir. Thank you. And we still want to be clear ano yung rights na binasa niyo sa amin. Salamat po. Kung rights ba ng Hague, o rights ba ng Pilipino, o rights ba ng whatever rights.
Those are the Miranda rights, sir, under our laws. That was led by Brigadier General Nick Torres, sir.
Has the Miranda rights been adopted by the Hague Convention?
It doesn't necessarily have to be, sir.
Hindi ko masyado ito, sir. Relax lang tayo, magkaibigan tayo.
Yes, sir.
Pero pagkatapos nito, makikita rin tayo whether I'm in jail or somewhere, we will eventually see together. So let us not rabbit. Anong gusto lang malaman? Kasi siyempre, I am a Filipino citizen. Galing ko lang sa labas, bakasyon. At ito ang nangyari sa akin. So, ang first is, what is the basis for my arrest? If I am being arrested now for detention, and the basis of detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed?
Can we allow to answer, Mr. Former President, sir?
Yes, sir.
Based on the warrant of arrest, Mr. President, the warrant of arrest is issued pursuant to Article 25, 3, subsection A, the statute for the crimes against humanity, and murder pursuant to Article 7, paragraph 1, subsection A of the same statute, committed in the Republic of the Philippines during the relevant period. That is the one we just mentioned, Mr. President, in the warrant of arrest.
Yeah. Ano man, simple hindi natin yung hard
Yes, sir.
because we want to exercise our options. Ay, kasi sir, hindi naman. Hindi yung ipiprint nyo dito, ay yung natanggap nyo dito.
Show us the basis for the, restriction of our freedom. Importante yan.